Hello everyone, welcome back to Random Facts channel. What I would like to present to you in this video is ocean. Fact 1. Thanks to the ocean, most of our planet is dark. Oceans have an average depth of 12,100 feet, and because light waves can only penetrate 330 feet of water, everything below that point is dark. Seeing as water makes up most of the planet, this means that most of Earth exists in absolute darkness all the time. Fact 2. The loudest ocean sound came from an icequake. In 1997, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration captured one of the loudest sounds ever recorded, which they named the bloop. The sound you are about to hear is the original recording of the bloop. Fact 3. The biggest ocean waves are beneath its surface. The biggest ocean waves are not the ones that you can see from the shoreline. The largest waves that occur in the ocean are called internal waves, which take place between two fluids with two different densities. As these internal waves travel for thousands of miles, they can grow up to be 650 feet tall. Fact 4. Water at the bottom of the ocean is incredibly hot. The water released from hydrothermal vents can be up to 400 degrees Celsius. It's the intense pressure at these depths, the same pressure that would crush you, that keeps the water from boiling. Fact 5. The ocean is home to nearly 95% of all life. With so much going on well below the surface, it is easy to forget that the oceans are teeming with life. In fact, 95% of life is aquatic, according to the USA Science and Engineering Festival. Fact 6. Coral produces its own sunscreen. Too much sunlight can damage the algae that live inside coral in shallow water. To protect the algae, which are a main source of sustenance for the corals fluoresce. This creates proteins that act as a sort of sunscreen for the algae. Fact 7. There is an ice sheet larger than the continental United States. Just two vestiges of ice remain from our planet's last ice age, the Greenland ice sheet and the Antarctic ice sheet. The latter of the two is staggering in size. Clocking in at 5.4 million square miles, according to the National Snow and Ice Data Center. It is roughly the size of the continental United States and Mexico combined. Fact 8. The Pacific Ocean is wider than the Moon. At its widest point, from Indonesia all the way to Colombia, the Pacific Ocean is wider than the Moon, by quite a lot. This expanse of ocean is 12,300 miles across, which is more than 5 times the diameter of the Moon. Fact 9. More people have been to the Moon than to the Mariana Trench. In human history, 12 people have set foot on the Moon, but just 3 people have managed to make it to the Mariana Trench, because of the extreme conditions there. Fact 10. Sea ice is drinkable. You cannot drink sea water, but you can drink sea ice. However, you do not want to drink fresh sea ice, which still has little pockets of brine trapped in between ice crystals. As the ice ages, the brine drains out, and the ice becomes fresh enough that it can be melted and consumed. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this.